In this Autodesk Maya tutorial, we're going to set up a character definition for a rig that we've downloaded from Mixamo. You can use Mixamo to automatically rig and put a T-pose on characters that you model in any 3D modeling software. It's a great way to quickly get a rig onto a character without doing much work. But then if we want to retarget that character and that rig to motion cap animation that we've captured in the studio, we need to have a character definition in Maya. This tutorial will show you how to set up that character definition on your rigged character so then you can retarget it with motion capture. First, drag in your character. It may come in very large, that's okay. This is not important for the retargeting, so just zoom out so you can see it. If you don't see the texture on your character, you can click this checker box or press 6 on your keyboard. Now I can see the texture on the character. In order to make a new character definition in Maya, we generally want to add a new namespace to all our bones. Here I have the bones and joints brought in from Mixamo. If I hold Shift and click this plus button, I can see them all. I can select the top one, and then in the Select menu, I can select Hierarchy. This selects everything in that hierarchy. Then under Windows, General Editors, Namespace Editor, I can change this namespace into a new namespace. So for example, here, I can select these contents, and then I can name it Duck Rig. So now when I import a new Mixamo rig, it won't overwrite this one that I already have. So now that I have my namespace set up on this rig, I can close it. The next step is to open up the HumanIK panel. You can get this by clicking the little person in the top right. Move the panel into position and select Create Character Definition. This will create a character definition. We can click on this blue box right here to rename the character. I'll rename it Duck. Then we need to go through each of the bones. So first I click the hips. Then over here, this is the hips. And then I right click Assign Selected Bone. It should turn green. Then I select the spine. Right here is the spine. Right click Assign Selected Bone. The nice thing is after you do this once, you can save a preset. Then I select Spine 1. And some of these have submenus. So right here, Spine 1. Here is Spine 1. Right click Assign Selected Bone. Spine 2. Right click Assign Selected Bone. Then for the neck, click this button to go to the full body view in Maya. This is the neck. Right click Assign Selected Bone. Then I can get the head. The HumanIK has the head right here, Assign Selected Bone. We don't need to do head top end. Select left shoulder. This is the left arm, but we want left shoulder. Click here, right click Assign Selected Bone. Then select the left arm, go up. And notice that it's already filling in the other side. That's because we have this mirror definition right here. So we only have to do one side of the character. That can save a lot of time. Select this arm, right click Assign Selected Bone. Here is the forearm. Right click Assign Selected Bone. The left hand. Right click Assign Selected Bone. This character doesn't have any fingers, so we don't have to worry about that. The right arm is already done, so we can move down to the left upper leg. Select this bone, right click Assign Selected Bone. Moving down to the lower leg of our character, right click Assign Selected Bone. Then the left foot, right click Assign Selected Bone. So we've done everything that we need to do. Once we have this green check mark, that means we have a valid character definition in Maya. So now we've taken our Mixamo rig and set a character definition in Maya. But I don't want to do that again. So I can actually save this as a preset. If I click the little disk, I can save this skeleton definition in Maya. I can call this Mixamo No Fingers. Then it'll save it as a prefix. I can click OK. So next time I load in a rig that doesn't have any fingers, I can quickly assign that character definition in Maya. Hopefully this allows you to add namespaces and set up character definitions in Maya with Mixamo rigs. Happy 3D modeling!